tomorrow's my dad's birthday and he wants to go golfing in the morning. So he was talking to his golfing friends and they asked if he was going to bring a cake. He jokingly said, "Cupcakes," but they thought he was serious. So, long story short, I am making Lucky Charms cupcakes for my dad and his friends, and there's only like 3 of them, but I'm gonna make 12 cupcakes, and I'm gonna show you how to make Lucky Charms cupcakes. As always, I'm going to get my hair up and out of the way, and I'm going to put my apron on. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make cupcakes, and I'm just gonna make plain vanilla cupcakes that'll go with like the cereal and milk thing. So I'm gonna show you my recipe and how to make my vanilla cupcakes. If you wanna just use box cupcakes, that's cool too. I won't judge. I would if I had white cake, but I don't. So I'm gonna make it.
Assisting my sister Allie for when we make cupcakes.
Alright, so let's do this. Here is what you're gonna need for cupcakes. You're gonna need 3 eggs, 3/4 cup milk, 1 cup sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cup flour, 3/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 1/2 teaspoons baking powder, which I have in this one. And then you're gonna need 12 tablespoons butter, and you're gonna wanna cut it into 12 pieces. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, line your muffin tin with 12 liners. So a little bit of a warning, this recipe makes a little bit of extra batter. If you put it all into your muffin tins, it's gonna rise a lot. It's not gonna overflow, but if you don't want you want your cupcakes more level, then I would recommend either just getting rid of a little bit of the batter that doesn't quite fit, or you could make mini cupcakes, which we are gonna do. So for this first step, you're gonna add the butter 1 by 1 and let it cream. Then I'm going to add my sugar into the mixer and let that mix together until it looks like sand. Right now it's not quite there. The butter's kind of sticking to that because my butter was a little bit hard, wasn't softened like the recipe says. But if I turn it up high enough, it should cream. Next, I'm going to add my eggs in. And then I'm going to mix that on a low speed to just combine the eggs. Okay, next you're going to add in your milk and your vanilla. So after that is done combining, I'm going to add in my dry ingredients, and you're going to stir that on a low speed so it doesn't puff up, and you're going to keep stirring until there are no lumps. So right now my batter looks like this. It's still a little lumpy and it's not quite combined. So I'm just scraping the sides of the bowl to make sure everything gets in, and then I'm going to start mixing on a low speed again. Alright, so this is what it looks like now, and I'm going to add it into my muffin tin. Alright, so with cupcakes, you only want to fill these halfway full so they don't rise too much. Because I want to frost them, I want them to be level. Okay, so I have all of these filled, and I still have like quite a bit of extra batter. And so I don't have a mini cupcake tin, so I just put them on a pan, which I found out last time works just as fine. So I'm going to fill these ones up, and then I'm going to come back to you. my sister the batter, and now she's done baking for like an hour.
Oh, but wait. I'll come back once I'm done.
So my oven is preheated, and the recipe says to put this in for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna guess these ones are gonna, they're messy, don't judge me. I'm gonna put these in for about like 10. I'm gonna check in on them in like 5. And while these are cooking, I'm gonna show you how to make buttercream frosting. So a quick time check in case you guys are wondering what time I'm making cupcakes and buttercream frosting at. It is 10:03 p.m. I have school tomorrow, and I am baking cupcakes because my dad needs them in the morning. Yay! This is actually fun for me. I'd rather be doing this than sleeping, so no harm, no foul. So buttercream frosting is pretty simple. All you need is 1 1/2 cups powdered sugar, 8 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of milk. So it says to have the butter and milk at room temperature and put them in here, and then you're going to beat it until the butter is white as possible. Then it said to gradually add the remaining sugar. It says to beat in the rest of that, so I'm going to turn it up a little bit. And I've never made buttercream frosting before, so hopefully it turns out. Well, my assistant just bailed on me, but that's alright. I got this. So it looks like frosting. I'm just gonna scrape the sides of it and then mix it again, and then we'll see how it turns out. So this is really white frosting. I was thinking that maybe some blue wouldn't be bad. I'm just gonna try it because I think it sounds cool. So I'm gonna do all my food coloring but the blue one. So I'm going to instead add some yellow. Some yellow, I say as I add like all of my yellow. Okay, so added some yellow in there. Let's see how that turns out. I'm putting more yellow in, aren't I? Yes. So, yeah, a long time ago, I got this little frosting gun for a present from someone. I don't even remember who. Is that my timer? Hey, cupcakes are done. Very nice, and my frosting gun fully assembled. And I have to let the cupcakes cool for like 15 minutes, otherwise the buttercream will just melt on the cupcakes. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do for 15 minutes, but I'll figure it out. Because I didn't think there was gonna be quite enough. I made some green. And now I'm gonna frost these cupcakes. So let it be known, I am not the best at frosting, but it is currently 11 p.m. and I am kind of being lazy and just trying to get this done. But this is half of them. This is my yellow buttercream, and now I'm gonna go ahead with my green buttercream. And now I'm gonna add my green buttercream into my gun. Cupcakes are frosted. It is currently 11:14. I'm going to put the Lucky Charms on and we are going to call it a night. All done and I am ready for bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now it says to add in about half of this mixture. Okay, so my mini cupcakes are a disaster, but that's all.
But you see, so when you eat the cupcake, this is what it looks like after. So good.
So good.
So good. Bam, bam, so good. Yeah.
Alright, so the first thing we gotta do, I messed that up. And maybe I'll make a blooper section, but oh, my eyebrow. My eyebrows done.